All right, y'all. Hey. If you are already here watching my Flower of the Month challenge video, thanks for coming back for this one. I'm going to work on a little mirror thing here. It's part of a special challenge for today that's hosted by 6 Kids and a Glue Gun. So stay tight and you'll see this come together and hear more about that challenge. So what I'm going to do is take these little mirrors that I got at Family Dollar. They were on clearance. There are 7 of them. And I'm going to glue them onto this piece of foam core board with these mini tumbling tower blocks here. And I'm going to put some vinyl flowers on just to zhuzh it up a bit. This video is part of the 777 challenge. It is hosted by Amanda from 6 Kids and a Glue Gun. And this challenge is special for her because today is her son's birthday. And he was born on 777. And he had told her that he had wanted her to hit 777 subscribers by today. He thought it would be cool with all the 7s. She surpassed it, but we're still doing this challenge anyway. All about 7s, either 7 items in a craft, 7 crafts, something like that. So 7's incorporated in the challenge. I have 7 mirrors, 7 tumbling tower blocks, so 14, and that's how old he is today. So happy birthday. The people joining us are MB Gray Designs, Mama Can Make It, Arrows DIY, The Crafty Quinn, and Crafty Cove, along with myself and Amanda from 6 Kids and a Glue Gun. So 7 friends, 7s all around. So what I'm going to do here is first I'm going to sit in my chair and I'm going to glue these down on these craft sticks, or sorry, tumbling tower blocks, because the hangers are pretty securely glued on here and I was afraid to try and take them off because it's not hot glue. It's like really good super glue. So, and I mean, it kind of shows up there, so I guess I can go sideways. So what I'm going to do is put the tumbling tower blocks on here and glue them down. Got my handy dandy glue gun, my Monvic glue gun, that's still going strong for me. All right, there we go. Now I can go ahead and glue these in place. You can see all my smudge prints all over. Now this isn't something I'm going to hang on the wall. It's obviously, it's on foam core board, so it's not going to be sturdy enough to hold, you know, no matter how small, 7 glass mirrors. I already cut out some vinyl flowers, and this is this StarCraft? No, this is, I can't remember the brand. Something I got from Amazon. I'm not gonna like use transfer tape or anything like that. I'm just gonna apply them like they're stickers. And on the plus side, whatever's left I can keep and use later as stencils. It's okay. And I just printed these, or cut these out from Cricut Design Space. Here we go. What do you think of that? That's pretty neat. It's a mess now because I have smudges. But yeah. Something quick and easy. Don't look at me. Something quick and easy you can hang on the wall. Or sit on the shelf. Sit on your desk. Sit on, you know, dresser, tabletop, whatever. Nice. So let me know what you think of that, you guys. And again, happy birthday, Amanda's son. Happy 14th. My youngest had just turned 14 in January, so I know what that's like being a mom of a 14-year-old. And thanks again to Amanda for allowing me to join in this super cute collaboration. And go check out the rest of the links. They'll all be in my description box to the videos or to the playlist. And links to all of the contributors will be in my description box. And yeah, hope you all have a great, what is today? What is today? Wow, Wednesday. Have a great Wednesday and great rest of the week. After the weekend I had, I think I'm going to sleep for the next 3 days. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. Take care, y'all.